Another measure of center is the median. The first step when you want to find the median for a set of values is to put them in order. So I'm going to start with the lowest one, 1, then 5 is the next largest. We've got 6, 2 7s, and a 10. So I've put them in numerical order, and like I said, it's always step 1. To find the median, you're literally looking for the value in the middle of the data set. This data set has an even number of values, so notice that 6 cannot be the median because there's 2 values less than it and 3 more than it. That's not directly in the middle. And 7 cannot be the median because there'd be 3 values less and 2 values more. Again, not directly in the middle. So what you have to do whenever you have an even number of values is take these 2 that are close to the middle and find the value that would be exactly in between them. In this case, between 6 and 7, the exact middle between them would be 6.5, and that is the median of your data set, exactly in the middle. For a very similar data set that just removes the repeating 7, if I want to find the median, again, I'd put them in order, but this time I have an odd number of values. There's 5. So there will be a number exactly in the middle. That is 6. There's 2 numbers lower than it and 2 numbers higher than it, making 6 our middle, or what we call the median. You'll always be searching for the middle. Just be careful if you have an even number of values, you'll then have to do an average of the 2 values in the center to find your true median, whereas when you have an odd number, you can just select the value that will be in the center.